Enjoy the view of this 2021 Kia K5. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Transform your daily drive in this well-appointed K5. From its sophisticated cabin, daring sense of style, family-focused safety features, and satisfying performance, this luxurious sedan inspires and delights. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat. Feel relaxed and renewed when you're behind the wheel of this luxurious K5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.